You ask me what sound I would most like to hear in all the world, and the sound of my children's laughter fills my head. The kind of laughter that shakes a room, wakes me into life. It's a carefree communion. It's beautiful, free. You ask me to step, heel to toe slow, and suddenly I step right into them. Planting feet to earth, holding sky high. Antenna, my body conduit, conductor of life. Antenna, and tend to, and then I, forever, in tune to a mothering frequency. Listening subconsciously deep for a call, a cry. Invisible waves connect us. I can hear them, the stream, continuously. Through cells, me in them, and them in me. And I daren't close my eyes, yet I want to hold them shut, palm deep. Visit the darkest places, see the brutal world fully, feel as they heel toe into it, holding nothing and everything and me. Hearing bleep, scream, screech, all the birds in all the world, with the ground always hopeful beneath my feet.